the wood stove from its temporary location to the window over to about the center of the room and take it up through the roof. Oh, that one right there. And we're going to see how well we can do that, because we have no idea what we're doing. Okay, we have the square hole cut and the box secured, and now they're working on getting the cone on the roof part. Okay, we have the box in the ceiling. We still have to attach the pipe, and we have the brick on the floor. Tomorrow I'll come back and we will attach that and the vanity ring, and then we're done. And that's where it's going to be, kind of in the middle of the room. The doors over there, kind of in the middle of the room. This is the first burn in the wood burning stove in its new location. So far, no smoke in the house.
Because we don't like smoke unless it's outside.
And all that metal tape will be painted heat tape black. But it seems to be drawing much better. And there's the window where it used to be, sitting over there. There'll be a wall approximately where the leg of this table is right here. There'll be a wall here eventually. Right there.